Vinyl wrapping was more of a new thing at the time. And there's always different brands, different technologies, different application. Quality is number one. When you come to us, you look for that quality in your wraps. It's important to never skip a step when vinyl wrapping. A lot of shops, they kind of prefer speed over quality. So we are detail oriented. We want to make sure that every little thing is taken care of. We focus on creating people's visions in terms of creativity. It's not just about, can I change my color from yellow to red? No, it's more about what kind of style are you going for? Like we kind of want to create that style for you to have your personality with your own car. It's a very focused environment, I would say. What sets us apart is that we do make sure that whatever's going on, we communicate with each other. If someone has an idea, we bounce it off each other. That quality standard always has to be high. What makes us different is the fact that we go above and beyond with pictures, videos. We kind of want to make you a celebrity here instead of just, oh, we're just wrapping your car. It's more of an experience at the end of the day. Because you get your car wrapped, the first thing you're going to want to do is post it on Instagram. So why not add a picture or, a little montage to that as well.